If you are planning to change your Play Store country but have not removed your old payment method or cards yet, then don't skip this video. Hey guys, how are you all doing? I hope you are doing well. Please watch this video till the end because this is really important. But before we start, make sure to subscribe my channel Zonic Tag so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Now let's get started. First, open the Play Store app on your phone, then tap on your profile icon. After that, click on Manage Google Account. Now go to Payment and Subscription or Wallet section. Here you will see all the cards or payment method you have ever used for online payment. To remove any card, simply tap on it. You will see option like Edit and Remove. Just click on Remove and your old payment method will be deleted. And that's it. This is how you can easily remove old payment method before changing your Play Store country. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Zonic Tag for more useful tag tutorials. Thanks for watching.